Hello, I'm Anna Marie. In this autopsy video, we're going to show you how to replace the video cards in the Alienware Area-51 R2. Before getting started, check out our safety precautions and ESD protection video. The link will be in the description down below. Remove the left side panel by using the release latch as shown here. Grab and lift the side panel so now you can remove it. Locate the video card section. Disconnect the video card covers from the back of the computer. Disconnect the video card power cables. Remove the PCI retention clip. Release the PCI locks, usually 2 per video card. Press the video card retention latch on the motherboard, pull towards you, and remove the video card. If needed, repeat the process for any additional video cards you may have. Now remove the screw securing the video card extension plate. To install the replacement video card, install the video card extension plate on it and follow the reverse process just explained, making sure the video cards are properly aligned, as well as the locks and retention clips, and connect the right power cable to the respective video card.